Hi, I'm Dr. L Hulbert. Welcome to Power in Chiropractic. We are your local Sacramento, California chiropractors. Our doctors offer 3 categories of safe and effective therapies to relieve your low back pain. Therapies that will help you work, sleep, and get dressed without low back pain or restrictions. Low back pain commonly results from trauma such as a car injury, sports injuries, or repetitive lifting. The trauma most often results in jamming of the spinal joints, pinched spinal nerves, or even a disc bulge. The most common symptoms are low back pain, muscle spasms, and restricted motion. If you have a pinched nerve, you may also be experiencing burning or tingling down your legs. On your first visit, you can expect one of our doctors to find the cause of your low back pain. Then apply appropriate therapies to relieve your low back pain as fast as possible. The first category of low back therapies are applied to relieve your low back pain and inflammation. We offer chiropractic adjustment to gently align the spine, relieving spinal joint pressure, pinched nerves, and disc bulges. Our chiropractic alignments commonly gives immediate pain relief on the very first treatment. Next is our laser therapy. It works electrically and chemically to block your low back pain by activating nerve receptors. These are the same nerve receptors that are targeted by strong pain-relieving drugs, but without the harmful side effects. Another therapy we offer relieves your low back pain by reducing your inflammation. By reducing your inflammation, we can reduce inflammatory proteins called cytokinins, which cause pain. Another therapy we offer relieves your low back pain by stimulating your nerve cells' oxygen metabolism. Stimulating oxygen metabolism accelerates healing and boosts your endorphins, which are the body's feel-good chemicals your body produces naturally. As you can see, we offer multiple forms of therapy to quickly relieve your low back pain. Our second category of low back therapies are applied to reduce painful muscle spasms. Our manual muscle therapy relieves the muscle pain in your low back by working through your nervous system. The manual muscle therapy stimulates the nerve receptors in your low back muscles and acts as a spinal block to relieve pain. We also offer a nerve reflex therapy called reciprocal inhibition to relieve your low back muscle pain and spasm. Reciprocal inhibition therapy relieves muscle spasms by blocking the nerve signals that are stimulating your muscle spasms. Another therapy we offer to relieve your low back muscle pain is trigger point therapy. Trigger points are highly sensitive and very tender spasms within the belly of the muscles. We gently stretch and compress the trigger points, which relieves these highly sensitive spasms. As you can see, we offer many forms of therapy to relieve your low back muscle spasms. The third category of therapies we offer is applied to increase your low back strength and mobility. We offer chiropractic adjustments to gently increase your low back joint mobility. By increasing your joint mobility, we'll increase your ability to move pain-free. After the pain is reduced, we use active therapies to increase the strength of your low back. Strengthening the low back will decrease the likelihood of you suffering permanent and recurring low back pain. All of our low back therapies are safe and have been cleared by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Each therapy is applied based on the results of your history, symptoms, and physical exam findings. We understand how low back pain can restrict your ability to work, sleep, or even get dressed in the morning. The bad news is, when physical injuries do not receive chiropractic care, they often heal wrong. A leading cause of spinal arthritis is when the injuries that do not receive chiropractic heal wrong. Chiropractic care can relieve your pain and decrease the likelihood of you suffering a permanent injury and recurring low back pain. Even the American Medical Association released guidelines that encourages chiropractic care before surgery. You do not need a referral from a medical provider or insurance company to be treated in our office by our doctors. And you can feel safe and comfortable when our doctors who are licensed by the state and federal government for the treatment of low back pain. In addition, we do accept and bill many forms of insurance. Give us a call and our friendly staff will verify your insurance benefits over the phone now. If you are suffering from low back pain, we can offer you fast, affordable, and effective relief with our $67 new patient special. Our $67 new patient special is a safe and easy way for you to experience how our therapies can quickly relieve your low back pain. The $67 new patient special includes 7 parts. Part 1, a private consultation with one of our doctors. Part 2, a range of motion exam to find out which low back joints are restricted. Part 3, nerve test to determine exactly which nerves are causing your low back pain. Part 4, muscle testing to find any tight or painful low back muscles. Part 5, orthopedic test to determine which spinal joints that may be contributing to your low back pain. Part 6, X-rays to determine if any arthritis exists. Part 7, 1 chiropractic treatment to immediately give you some low back pain relief. The normal cost for the 7-part new patient special is $375. When you pick up the phone and call our office today, the 7-part new patient special is only $67. The reason we offer this new patient special is to make it easy for you to feel how our therapies can relieve your low back pain. The $67 new patient special comes with a 2-part guarantee. Part 1, no waiting. You'll see one of our doctors within 7 minutes of your scheduled appointment. Part 2, if you're not 100% satisfied with our services within 72 hours of your first visit, you'll receive a complete refund. The $67 new patient special is limited to the first 10 new patients that call in any month due to space restrictions. We look forward to meeting you and relieving your low back pain so you can get on with your active life. Take the next step for low back pain relief and call Power Inn Chiropractic at 916-387-1007.